So almost everyone know about ChatGPT and many of us are facing this kind of problem. You can't log in or sign up. At the end of this video, you will be able to sign up without facing such problems. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open any browser and search for ChatGPT. And open the first site. Entering the site, click on this button and it will show this page. Now click on this Get Notified when we are back. It will open this page, so now click on chat.openai.com. If the sign up page doesn't appear, then again do the same. Do this until sign up page appears. After it appears, sign up for free and enjoy. So we're pretty much it for today. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. If it is, then give us a thumbs up and show some support by subscribing our channel. I'll really appreciate it. Okay, I'm leaving for now. Till then, keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Amrul Islam from theastltd signing out.